Hello, check, check. Hello, check. Hello, check. Hello.
With the permission of your lordships, reference will be made on the passing away of late Honorable Mr. Justice Paran Kumar Phukan, former judge of the Guwahati High Court. For order of reference, may I call upon Mr. Chantanu Borthakur, Vice President, Guwahati High Court Bar Association.
Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable Judges of this Honorable Court, respected senior advocates, my colleagues at the bar and members of the registry. Justice Paran Kumar Phukan, who left for heavenly abode on 9th of this month, was born on 9th of October 1955 at Jorhat. He was a student of science and completed his bachelor's in science with honors in chemistry from JB College, Jorhat. His foray into the legal profession was slightly less, and before joining, he served as a senior laboratory assistant in a regional research laboratory, Jorhat, from 1977 to 1983. It was thereafter, in 1983, that he enrolled as an advocate in the Tezpur Bar Association. Justice Phukan then moved to Guwahati in 1985. Upon clearing the prestigious Assam Judicial Service examination, he joined as Munsif and was promoted to the post of CJM in 1999. He was later promoted to grade 1 of the service and initially posted as additional session judge FTC at Guwahati. He has served as a Registrar Administration Guwahati High Court and thereafter as Presiding Officer Labour Court. He was also posted as District and Session Judge Nagaon, where he served for more than 4 years before his elevation as Additional Judge of the Guwahati High Court with effect from 7/1/2015. Justice Phukan was posted as member MSCT Kamrup Guwahati cum Presiding Officer STAT Guwahati. Justice Phukan had a tenure of more than 2.5 years as a judge of the Honorable Guwahati High Court, as he retired on 28/10/2017. After his retirement, he served as a president of Mizoram State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, which was his last posting. Late Justice Phukan was a very humble and kind person, and for this reason, he was much loved by people around him. It was a pleasure to appear in his court. His judgments always reflected his compassion for the people, and humanitarian in him is evident in his ruling delivered during his long tenure as judge of district courts and then the high courts. In his demise, we lost a good human being and a compassionate jurist. Such good men are few, and he will thereby always be remembered fondly with much love in the corridors of the court where he presided.
Mr. Santam Khaun, President, Guwahati High Court Advocate Association.
Honorable Chief Justice, honorable judges present, respected members of the registry, and respected senior members and my colleagues of the bar. Today, we have assembled here to pay tribute to late Mr. Justice Paran Kumar Phukan, a former additional judge of this Guwahati High Court, who died in 9/11/2025. Late Justice Paran Kumar Phukan was born in 1955 at Jorhat. He completed his schooling and pre-university at Jorhat, and he graduated from JB College, Jorhat, with honors in chemistry in 1977. He joined as a laboratory assistant in Regional Research Laboratory, Jorhat, in 1977 and worked in the same capacity till 1983. In 1983, he resigned from service and enrolled himself in the Tezpur Bar Association as an advocate. Later in 1985, he shifted to Guwahati, and during this period, he cleared the prestigious Assam Judicial Service and joined as a Munsif. He was promoted to the post of CGM in 1999. He was promoted to grade 1 of the service and posted as Additional Session Judge FTC at Guwahati. He served as Registered Administration Guwahati High Court and thereafter as Presiding Officer Labour Court. Then he was posted as District and Session Judge Nagaon. After working for more than 4 years, he was posted as member MSCT Kamrup Guwahati and Presiding Officer State Transport Appellate Authority Guwahati. He was elevated as Additional Judge of Guwahati High Court in January 2015 and later became a permanent judge. He retired in 2017. Till his demise, he was serving as the President of Mizoram State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. I, on behalf of Guwahati High Court Advocates Association, pay my respectful tribute to the departed soul and convey my heartfelt condolence and sympathy to the bereaved family. May his soul rest in peace in heaven.
Mr. Chidmoy Chaudhary, Chairman Bar Council of Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, and Sikkim.
My Lord Chief Justice, honorable judges of this honorable court, and members of the judicial registry, and my esteemed colleagues in the bar, we have again assembled here today to mourn the demise of Justice Paran Kumar Phukan, passed away on 9th of this month after brief illness. He had been suffering from ailments, and in the year 2001, he suffered from serious ailments, and somehow he survived and continued to walk. Then this time he succumbed to those ailments. As a judge, he was performed very well and left his mark in his judgments. He was amiable in nature and he was loved by everybody around. He hails from Jorhat, born on 29th of October 1955. After graduation, he studied law and passed law exam and obtained LLB degree. Thereafter, he joined Tezpur Bar Association in 1983. In 1985, he shifted to Guwahati to practice here. And in 1999, he joined as Munsif in Assam Judicial Service. Thereafter, he was gradually promoted and reached the position of District and Session Judge. Thereafter, Justice Phukan was elevated as an additional judge of the Guwahati High Court, and he remained in charge from 2015 to 2017. After retirement also, he took responsibility in various offices, and at the last assignment, he was the President of Mizoram State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. On his death, he leaves behind his wife, Monikantla Bhattacharya, who is a prolific writer in Assamese, and only daughter is Akainka Phukan. Death, I mourn on my own behalf and on behalf of the Bar Council of Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram, etc., and pray to the Almighty for eternal peace of the departed soul, and also pray that Almighty may bestow enough strength to the members of the bereaved family to bear this extreme loss.
Mr. Biswajit Goswami, Additional Advocate General, Assam.
My Lord Chief Justice of this Honorable Court, Honorable Judges, of this Honorable High Court, esteemed colleagues, learned members of the judiciary. Today, we have assembled here to mourn the death of late Mr. Justice Paran Kumar Phukon, who breathed his last on 8th November 2025 at the age of 70. Justice Paran Phukon was born in 1955 at Jorhat, and completed his graduation with honors in chemistry from JV College, Jorhat. He also served as laboratory assistant in the Regional Research Laboratory, Jorhat, from 1977 to 83. After enrolled as an advocate, he first joined in the Tezpur Bar Association in 1983, and after 2 years, he moved to Guwahati during 1985 and joined as Munsif in Assam Judicial Service. He was promoted to the post of Chief Judicial Magistrate in 1999 and thereafter promoted to grade 1 of the service and posted as Additional Sessions Judge at Guwahati. He also served as Registrar Administration, Guwahati High Court, and thereafter Presiding Officer, Labour Court. He was then posted as District and Sessions Judge, Nagaon. Accordingly, Justice Phukon served in that capacity more than 4 years and then posted as member MACT Kamrup. He was elevated as Additional Judge of this Honorable Court with effect from 7/1/2015 and retired on 28/10/2017. In addition to that, he was also serving as President of Mizoram State Consumer Disputes Redressal Forum. More than 2 years, late Justice Phukon was serving here in this Honorable Court with full dedication, and he was really a nice person. And his service was to the fullest satisfaction of all concerned. I, on behalf of the state of Assam and on my personal behalf, express my deep condolence on the death of Justice Paran Kumar Phukon and pray for eternal peace of the departed soul, and offer my deep condolence to the bereaved family. Namaskar.
Mrs. Azungla Iyer, Additional Senior Government Advocate, Nagaland.
My Lord Chief Justice, honorable judges, members of the registry, learned senior advocates, and my dear colleagues of this esteemed bar. It is with a deep sense of sorrow that we have come to condole the passing away of late Honorable Justice Paran Kumar Phukon, who passed away on 9th of November 2025. Late Justice Phukon was born on 29th October 1955 at Jorhat, graduated with honors in chemistry from JB College, Jorhat. He enrolled as an advocate in the Tezpur Bar Association in 1983 and moved over to Guwahati in 1985. After joining as Munsif in Assam Judicial Service, Justice Phukon was promoted as CJM in the year 1999. By dint of his hard labor, dedication, and sincerity, he was thereafter promoted as District and Sessions Judge, Nagaon. Justice Phukon also served as Registrar Administration of Guwahati High Court and thereafter as Presiding Officer, Labour Court. Late Justice Phukon was also the member of MACT Kamrup Guwahati and Presiding Officer, State Transport Appellate Tribunal for a substantial period of time. Late Justice Phukon, after his elevation as an additional judge of the Guwahati High Court on 7/1/2015, later became a permanent judge and retired on 28/10/2017. Justice Phukon had immense legal knowledge and dispersed his duty with dedication, which is evident from the various judgments of this august house. His contribution to this legal arena will always be remembered. We all know that all good things must come to an end. With a very heavy heart, joining with my predecessors, I, on my personal behalf and on behalf of the state of Nagaland, express my heartfelt condolence to the family and pray to God to grant comfort and give strength to the bereaved family. May his soul rest in peace.
Mrs. Panchali Bhattacharya, Additional Advocate General, Mizoram.
My Lord Honorable Chief Justice, honorable judges of this honorable court, learned members of the bar, and learned members of the registry. Today we have assembled here to condole the passing away of Honorable Justice Paran Kumar Fukan, former judge of this honorable court, who left for heavenly abode on 9/11/2025. Late Justice Paran Kumar Fukan was born on 29th October 1955 at Jorhat. After completing his studies, initially late Fukan started his practice as an advocate at Tezpur in the year 1983. But later on, in the year 1985, he moved to Guwahati for practice. Thereafter, late Justice Fukan joined Assam Judicial Service and served in various posts in the judiciary. Late Justice Fukan was elevated as the additional judge of this honorable court with effect from 7/1/2015, and he retired from service on 28/10/2017. During his tenure, late Justice Paran Kumar Fukan, as judicial officer and judge of this honorable court, delivered many landmark judgments and contributed a lot to the judiciary. Demise of late Justice Fukan is a great loss of our fraternity. I, on my personal behalf and on behalf of the state of Mizoram, pay my respectful homage to the departed soul. I pray to God to give strength and courage to the family. May his soul rest in peace.
Mr. Arun Chandran, Senior Government Advocate, Arunachal Pradesh.
Honorable Chief Justice, honorable judges, respected members of the registry, respected seniors, my colleagues of the bar present today in this gathering. Today we have assembled here to condole the sad demise of late Justice Paran Kumar Fukan, former judge of this honorable court, who left us for heavenly abode on 9th of November at the age of 70. Late Justice Paran Kumar Fukan was born on 29/10/1955 at Jorhat. He was a science graduate with honors in chemistry from the JB College, Jorhat. Thereafter, he worked as a senior lab assistant in the Regional Research Laboratory, Jorhat, from the year 1977 to 1983. He enrolled as an advocate and started his practice in Tezpur Bar in the year 1983, and later on he moved on to Guwahati in the year 1985. He joined as a Munsif in the Assam Judicial Service and was later promoted to the post of Chief Judicial Magistrate in the year 1999. Later on, he was also promoted as the Grade 1 officer of Assam Judicial Service and was posted as an additional session judge at Guwahati. He also served as Registrar Administration of Guwahati High Court and thereafter as a presiding officer of the Labour Court. He was then posted as District and Session Judge Nagaon. After working more than 4 years, he was posted as member MSCT Kamrup Metro. Later on, late Justice Paran Kumar Fukan was elevated as an additional judge of Guwahati High Court with effect from 7/1/2015, and he retired on 28/10/2017. After his retirement, he served as the president of Mizoram State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. On the sad and sudden demise of late Justice Paran Kumar Fukan, I, on behalf of the state of Arunachal Pradesh and its people, and also on my personal behalf, express our profound grief and convey our heartfelt condolences to the members of the bereaved family. May his soul rest in peace.
Mr. Ranjit Kumar Dev Chaudhary, Deputy Solicitor General of India.
Honorable the Chief Justice, Guwahati High Court, honorable judges present here today, members of the registry, learned senior advocates, and my colleagues in the bar. We have gathered here today to pay homage to late Mr. Justice Paran Kumar Fukan, who expired on 10th of this month. As a matter of fact, 70 is not a very prime age considered today. But I'm told that he was not keeping in good health. Justice Fukan joined the judiciary as a magistrate, as a Munsif in 1983 and rose to the position of a district judge. By virtue of being a district judge, he held office in various capacities. And thereafter, he was elevated as an additional judge of this honorable court in 2015. He superannuated from service in 2017. In the course of his tenure as a judge of this honorable court, I did have a few occasions to appear before him, although mostly he was in the criminal bench. But then there is one judgment perhaps which he co-authored with Justice Ujjal Bhuyan as regards witch hunting, Bhimturi, if I'm not wrong, where persons branded as witches, maybe gent or a lady, was considered to be the worst form of human rights violation. Perhaps that judgment would stand out as a very good judgment during his tenure as a judge of this honorable court. After demitting office as a judge of this honorable court, he was president of the Mizoram Consumer Forum. On his demise, we have lost an illustrious person, a very knowledgeable judge. On behalf of the Union of India, I pray to God that his soul may rest in peace and God gives enough strength to the bereaved family to bear this loss. Thank you.
Mr. Ridip Kumar Das, Standing Counsel, Guwahati High Court.
Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable Judges of the Guwahati High Court, members of the registry, my esteemed seniors, colleagues, brothers and sisters. It is with a deep sense of sorrow that we have gathered here to condole the passing away of Honorable Justice Mr. Paran Kumar Phukan, former Judge, Guwahati High Court. An extremely good human being having personality filled with innumerable qualities, who left for the heavenly abode in the evening of 9th December 2025 while getting treatment at Apollo Hospital, Guwahati at the age of about 71 years. Late Mr. Justice Phukan was born at Jorhat, Assam. After completion of his graduation, he served in the Regional Research Laboratory, Jorhat, for a brief stint because of the destiny had other plans for him, which led him to enroll as an advocate in Tezpur Bar Association in the year 1983. He began his judicial service by joining the post of Munchif, and his honesty, integrity, and hard work elevated to be an additional judge of the Guwahati High Court in the year 2015. After discharging relentless service to this august institution for about 3 years, he superannuated on 28/10/2017. After retirement also, he served for the people as the president of the Mizoram State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. I got the opportunity to appear before Honorable Justice Phukan in many matters. The most important quality he had in him was his receptiveness to the arguments advanced by the members of the bar. He was always cool and calm, passionately listening to the arguments advanced by the lawyers. His court was extremely beneficial for the young lawyers trying to learn law because of his encouragement to the young lawyers. I am also a beneficiary of the benevolent opportunity provided by Justice Phukan. He was firm in his decision-making, and at the same time, he always kept the equity in his pocket. I feel that the biggest quality of a good human being is that we don't need to remember them, but they remain alive in our memories. That is inevitable, but the karma, or in Assamese, karma, remains. Although he is no more with us, we will always remember him through his works, his judgments, and gestures. He authored innumerable judgments, both in civil and criminal sides, giving opportunity to the generations of lawyers to reap the benefit. His demise is a great loss to this august institution and the society as a whole. I, on my behalf and on behalf of the registry of this honorable court, express and place on record a deep sense of gratitude to his lordship's contribution to the judiciary and extend my deepest condolence for the loss. I pay my respectful homage to the departed soul. I pray to God to give strength and courage to the family members.
Now may we have the honor of reference by Honorable the Chief Justice.
My esteemed brother and sister judges on the bench, Mr. Shantanu Borthakur, Vice President, Guwahati Bar Association. Mr. Santom Khaunt, President, Guwahati High Court Advocates Association. Mr. Chinmay Chaudhary, Chairman, Bar Council of Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, and Sikkim, and Standing Council of Guwahati High Court. Mr. Biswajit Goswami, Additional Advocate General, Assam. Mrs. Ajungla Iyer, Additional Senior Government Advocate, Nagaland. Mrs. Panchali Bhattacharya, Additional Advocate General, Mizoram. Mr. Arun Chandran, Senior Government Advocate, Arunachal Pradesh. Mr. R.K.D. Chaudhary, Deputy Solicitor General of India. Mr. H.K. Das, Standing Counsel, Guwahati High Court. Learned senior advocates, members of the bar, members of the registry, and judicial officers. Today, we have assembled here to mourn the sad demise of late Honorable Justice Puran Kumar Phukan, former judge of Guwahati High Court. Late Justice Phukan was born on 29th of October 1955 in Jorhat. After completing his schooling, he graduated from JB College, Jorhat with honors in chemistry. Thereafter, he joined as senior laboratory assistant in the Regional Research Laboratory, Jorhat, where he served from 1977 to 83. After a few years of service, he decided to pursue a career in law and enrolled as an advocate with Tejpur Bar Association in 1983. Later, he shifted his practice to Guwahati High Court in 1985. Subsequently, he joined Assam Judicial Service as a Munsif. Through sheer dedication, sincerity, and hard work, he rose through the ranks to become a district and sessions judge and served in several important positions, including in the registry of the Guwahati High Court. During his tenure as a judicial officer, Justice Phukan earned wide respect for his diligence, integrity, profound understanding of law, and commitment to administration of justice. As a recognition of his impeccable service record, he was elevated as an additional judge of Guwahati High Court with effect from 7th of January 2015. He demitted his office on 28th of October 2017 on attaining the age of 62 years. After his retirement, Justice Phukan served as president of the Mizoram State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. Unfortunately, Justice Phukan had been battling serious health ailments for a long period, and on 9th of November 2025, he left for his heavenly abode at the age of 70 years. He is survived by his wife, Srimati Monikuntala Bhattacharya, a renowned literary figure of Assam, and daughter, Srimati Akanksha Phukan. During his tenure as a judge of Guwahati High Court, Justice Phukan rendered numerous significant judgments across diverse branches of law. His pronouncements reflected his unwavering commitment to uphold the rule of law and contributed to the development of legal jurisprudence in matters relating to Negotiable Instruments Act, Motor Accident Claims, NDPS Act, maintenance, land disputes, burden of proof, and various other subjects. Although I did not have the privilege of meeting him personally, I have been told that he was a widely respected person for his gentle demeanor, amiable disposition, integrity, forthrightness, leadership, and deep knowledge of law. His exemplary service and contributions to the legal field will continue to inspire us all. His demise is a profound loss not only to his family, but also to the entire legal fraternity. I, on behalf of my esteemed colleagues on the bench and the members of the registry, convey heartfelt condolences to the members of the bereaved family and pray to the Almighty to grant eternal peace to the departed soul and give sufficient strength and fortitude to the members of his family to bear the irreparable loss. As a mark of respect to the departed soul, I request the learned members of the bar and bench to observe a minute's silence. The court work on the judicial side will remain suspended for the rest of the day as a mark of respect to the departed soul. The registry is directed to communicate the proceedings and convey our heartfelt condolence to the members of the bereaved family.